Welcome to our video, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of liver health, and the powerful role that antioxidants play in keeping your body strong and resilient.
Cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver's working in optimum performance. The liver is the largest internal organ in the body, and the liver is the only organ in the body that has the ability to regrow. So environmental poisons coming into the body, everything goes straight to the liver. And if it's toxic, the liver says, whoa, nasty guy, wrap him up in fat and store him. And if the liver looks at it and says, no, we can break that down to a state that can be easily released, that is what it will do.
What does the body need to support the liver to cope with this toxic metabolite? It needs antioxidants. Antioxidants, they basically mop up the free radicals, these free radicals. So what are the most potent antioxidants? Antioxidants are your body's natural defense system, acting as the frontline warriors that neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your cells and lead to serious health issues. A well-functioning liver is essential for this battle, as it not only detoxifies the body and eliminates harmful waste but also serves as a critical shield against diseases like cancer. Today, we'll explore the vitamins and minerals that are absolutely vital for maintaining a healthy liver. These nutrients are not just supplements, they are nature's way of ensuring your liver performs at its peak, safeguarding your overall health. We'll be guided by the insights of Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a renowned Australian health educator, known for her expertise in natural healing and the body's ability to recover from illness. Dr. O'Neill's approach is grounded in the belief that with the right support, your liver can do incredible things, detoxifying your body, restoring balance, and even protecting you from chronic diseases. Join us as we uncover the secrets to nourishing your liver with the essential vitamins and minerals it needs to thrive. Whether you're looking to boost your liver's function or simply maintain your health, this video will provide you with practical tips and valuable knowledge to help you on your journey to better wellness. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining overall health by neutralizing free radicals, those unstable molecules that can cause significant harm to your cells if left unchecked. But what exactly are the most potent antioxidants, and how can they benefit your liver? In this video, we will explore 5 essential vitamins that are vital for liver health, along with practical ways to ensure you're getting the necessary minerals to support these vitamins. When discussing essential antioxidants, it's important to clarify that we're not just talking about taking pills or supplements. In fact, Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a respected health educator, emphasizes the importance of sourcing these nutrients from food rather than relying on supplements. As she puts it, I take nothing. I take only food. But as much as possible organic. I eat dark green leafies every single day. I have fresh fruit at breakfast. I like to do what Hippocrates said, let food be your medicine and medicine be your food. 1. Vitamin B. First up, let's talk about vitamin B, particularly vitamin B12, which is crucial for liver health. Vitamin B12 plays a key role in the production of red blood cells and DNA, both of which are essential for liver function. It also helps in the metabolism of fats and proteins, ensuring that the liver efficiently processes these nutrients without becoming overburdened. One common question is, why is my urine bright yellow? The answer often lies in the B vitamins you consume. You're not losing your B vitamins, it's just the way they react in your body. These vitamins are actively supporting your liver's detoxification processes, ensuring that toxins are broken down and eliminated effectively. Specifically, vitamin B12 is vital for liver health. As Dr. Neil Nedley points out in his book Proof Positive, you can obtain vitamin B12 from organically grown root vegetables or by eating fruits like apples straight from the tree, as vitamin B12 is an airborne bacterium. If your gut is healthy and your stomach is producing enough intrinsic factors, you won't have a B12 deficiency. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include seafoods such as clams, octopus, oysters, mussels, and fish like mackerel, tuna, salmon, and trout. Red meat, such as liver and kidney, is also an excellent source of vitamin B12. However, Barbara, being a vegetarian, believes that a well-planned plant-based diet can provide all the essential nutrients, including B vitamins. For vegetarians, foods like legumes and nuts, such as almonds, along with leafy greens like spinach and kale, provide substantial amounts of B vitamins. Garlic and potatoes are also good sources. These plant-based foods support liver health by providing the nutrients necessary for detoxification and overall liver function. 2. Vitamin D. Now, let's dive into the importance of vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in our body's ability to absorb calcium, a mineral that is fundamental for building and maintaining strong bones. Without adequate vitamin D, calcium absorption is significantly impaired, which can lead to weaker bones and a higher risk of fractures. But vitamin D's benefits extend beyond bone health. It also plays a key role in supporting liver function and overall immune health. So, where do we get vitamin D? The primary source is sunlight. When ultraviolet, UV, rays from the sun come into contact with your skin, they trigger a chemical reaction that converts a form of cholesterol just beneath the skin into vitamin D. This process is vital for producing enough vitamin D to meet your body's needs, particularly when it comes to calcium absorption. Vitamin D is not just about calcium in bones, it's also essential for the liver. The liver helps convert vitamin D into its active form, calcitriol, which is then used by the body to manage calcium levels and support the immune system. Adequate levels of vitamin D help the liver function more efficiently, contributing to overall health and well-being. To ensure you're getting enough vitamin D, regular exposure to sunlight is key. However, factors such as geographic location, skin type, age, and even the use of sunscreen can affect how much vitamin D your body produces. Therefore, it might be necessary to supplement with vitamin D-rich foods or consider vitamin D supplements, especially during the winter months or if you have limited sun exposure. 3. Vitamin E. Next, we have vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that plays a significant role in protecting the liver from oxidative damage. Vitamin E is particularly beneficial for individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, as it helps reduce liver inflammation and prevent the buildup of harmful fats within liver cells. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin E supports the liver's overall function and its ability to detoxify the body. At Healthy Care, you get your vitamin E through protein drinks, which are typically made with organic soy or almond milk, sometimes with a splash of coconut milk, and mixed with pea protein powder. This combination not only provides a good dose of vitamin E but also other essential nutrients that support liver health. 4. Vitamin C. Next on the list is vitamin C, arguably the most famous antioxidant. Vitamin C is essential for liver health because it protects the liver from oxidative stress and promotes the production of glutathione, a vital antioxidant that the liver uses to neutralize toxins. Moreover, vitamin C supports the liver's ability to regenerate by stimulating collagen synthesis, which is necessary for repairing liver tissues. However, it's important to note that vitamin C is not just ascorbic acid. As Dr. Robert Thompson explains in his book The Calcium Lie, ascorbic acid is just the envelope, an incomplete form of vitamin C, for optimal health benefits, make sure you're getting vitamin C with its natural bioflavonoids, as they enhance its absorption and effectiveness. In nature, vitamin C comes with bioflavonoids. In fact, when foods in Australian supermarkets were tested, cabbage was found to be the highest in vitamin C, even higher than many fruits, including oranges. For oranges to be truly rich in vitamin C, they need to be picked at their peak, from trees that are well nourished by the soil's microbes. This is why it's crucial to buy fresh, local, and organic produce to maximize your nutrient intake. 5. Beta-carotene. Now let's talk about beta-carotene, a red-orange pigment and antioxidant found in colorful fruits and vegetables. Once ingested, the body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is essential not only for vision, immune function, and skin health but also for maintaining a healthy liver. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in liver function by helping to reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in preventing liver diseases such as fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Additionally, it supports the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances and regenerate its cells. Beta-carotene is abundant in orange and green vegetables. Have you noticed that every juice we give you at Barbara's Health Retreat is either green, orange, or red? That's because they're packed with high levels of beta-carotene. Foods rich in beta-carotene include sweet potatoes, carrots, butternut squash, cantaloupe, and romaine lettuce, just to name a few. It's no surprise that the main juice served at Barbara's Health Retreat is mostly made of carrots. This juice, which is 80% carrot, 10% apple, and 10% celery, is not only delicious but also a powerful liver-supporting drink thanks to its high beta-carotene content. 6. Calcium. Calcium is often referred to as the king of minerals, and for good reason. However, this title has led to some misunderstandings. It's called the king because when calcium enters the body with the help of vitamin D, it brings along other vital minerals, ensuring they are absorbed effectively. Yet, contrary to popular belief, taking calcium supplements does not necessarily strengthen the bones. In fact, consuming calcium supplements can introduce the mineral in a form that the body may not absorb properly, potentially leading to the buildup of kidney stones and gallstones. The better approach is to take calcium in its natural form, balanced with all the other minerals the body needs. This balance is found in vegetables, particularly dark green leafy ones, which are high in fiber, rich in minerals, and low in sugars. In contrast, fruits, while high in fiber, tend to be higher in sugars and lower in minerals, emphasizing the importance of a varied diet. Barbara O'Neill, a respected health educator, emphasizes the importance of eating fruit at breakfast, often with grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, and saving vegetables for lunch. This separation helps avoid the digestive conflict that can arise when fruits and vegetables are consumed together, given their differing sugar and mineral content. As for ensuring adequate vitamin D levels, the primary source is sunlight, specifically UVB rays. When these rays hit the skin, they convert a form of cholesterol just under the skin into vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption. However, it's important to note that glass and sunscreen can block these rays, so direct exposure to sunlight is necessary for this process to occur. Now, returning to calcium, after discussing the role of vitamin D, it's crucial to understand that bones are not made up solely of calcium. Instead, they consist of 12 key minerals, including boron, calcium, chromium, iron, magnesium, manganese, potassium, phosphorus, selenium, sulfur, silica, and zinc, along with 64 trace minerals. When calcium supplements are introduced into the body, they can lead to an overload of calcium. The body responds by shutting down the adrenal glands to retain magnesium in an attempt to restore balance, which then causes the kidneys to release potassium and sodium, creating a significant imbalance. The best way to strengthen bones is by ensuring the intake of all the minerals that bones are made of. The most perfect proportion of these minerals is found in seawater. Seawater contains 92 minerals, in exactly the same balance and proportion as those found in the human body. The closest substitute for seawater is Celtic salt, which contains 82 minerals. According to Dr. Robert Thompson, placing a small crystal of Celtic salt on your tongue before drinking a glass of water helps replace the minerals lost through urine, perspiration, and bowel movements. To give you an idea of the size, a crystal of Celtic salt should be about as large as a sesame seed. For those not accustomed to salt, it may be wise to start with even less to allow the body to adjust. Barbara advises putting the salt in the mouth, giving it a bit of a crunch, and then drinking water, which allows some of the minerals to be absorbed directly. She always cooks with Celtic sea salt to ensure a consistent intake of these essential minerals. In addition to its role in bone health, calcium also plays a significant role in liver function. Calcium is involved in the regulation of various liver enzymes and helps in the maintenance of liver cell integrity. Proper calcium levels can aid the liver in its detoxification processes and help prevent liver-related conditions, making it an essential mineral not only for bone health but also for maintaining a healthy liver. We've just explored the invaluable insights shared by Barbara O'Neill on the essential vitamins and minerals crucial for maintaining a healthy liver. From the powerhouse antioxidant beta-carotene to the vital role of calcium and vitamin D, we've learned how these nutrients support liver function and overall well-being. The liver is truly an incredible organ with the unique ability to regenerate and heal itself, but it needs the right tools to do so. By nourishing your body with the proper nutrients and embracing a balanced, natural diet, you're providing your liver with the optimal conditions it needs to detoxify, restore balance, and protect against disease. Remember, your liver is a resilient and recoverable organ. It's never too late to start making positive changes that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. Whether it's incorporating more leafy greens into your meals, ensuring you get enough sunlight for that all-important vitamin D, or simply being mindful of the quality of your food, these small steps can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful and want to continue your journey toward better health, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're committed to bringing you the latest health tips, natural remedies, and insights to help you live your best life. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, let's take the steps toward a healthier, happier you, one day at a time.